Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to get unlimited coupon codes for existing users in Temu. So if you also want to get unlimited coupon codes for existing users in Temu, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So the new customers on Temu can enjoy the fab incentives, but as an existing user too, you might be able to get the unlimited coupon codes for you. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Temu application. You can see over here Temu application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. When you open the Temu application, you might be able to see the discount codes on the home page. So make sure to check for it. Make sure to open the Temu application once in a while. Make sure to check for the coupon codes. You might be able to find the coupon codes if you're lucky. If you want to see what coupon codes are available for you, what you have to do is go to the U interface. For that, at bottom, you'll be able to find several icons. Simply tap on the U icon that you can see at the third. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the U interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for coupons and offers. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find all the coupons that are available for you. From here, you'll be able to use the coupons. If you want to get more coupons, you can visit the websites which provide the coupons for you. For that, simply open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is visit any kind of website where coupon codes for stores are available. Simply tap on the search bar. Here I'm just going to type in couponfollow.com. You can also visit this website if you want. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Coupon Follow. Over here, you'll be able to find the icon for search. All you have to do is tap on it. Now simply type in Temu. Now you'll be able to find the results for Temu over here. Simply tap on the temu.com option. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to get the unlimited coupon codes over here. You'll be able to find the option for 50% off, $100 off, 65% off, 80% off, 50% off, etc. If you want to see the code, simply tap on the code that you want to see. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see the code over here. You can copy the code if you want, and you can apply it in the checkout interface later on. So that is how you get unlimited coupon codes for existing users in Temu. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.